doesn't feel safe.
What a weird room. Look!
It's King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table.
More ghosts.
No, silly. They're just wax mannequins of the famous medieval court.
It sure looks a lot like Camelot.
Zoinks! They're coming after us.
Phew. It looks like we lost them.
Quick, Scoob, in here.
Okay. Where did they go?
They went that way.
Now I have the... Ah! It's empty. We must find them.
Now for the grand finale.
Allow me. Whoa.
That's your cue, Daff.
Right. Oh, no! My finger's stuck in the keys. I can't work the trick.
Danger-prone Daphne did it again.
Whoa.
Uh-oh, forget the magic, Scoob. Like, I think we better use our feet. They're gaining on us. Like, quick, up the wall.
Pull them down and it will all be over.
Yes, master.
Watch it, you dolt.